Welcome to our YouTube video on the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. In this video, we will provide a comprehensive summary of the key lessons and important points from the book. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a personal finance classic that challenges traditional beliefs about money and offers valuable insights for achieving financial success. So, let's dive in. Lesson 1. The difference between rich and poor mindsets. Kiyosaki introduces his two fathers, his biological father, Poor Dad, and his best friend's father, Rich Dad. The poor dad worked for money, while the rich dad made money work for him. This lesson emphasizes the importance of adopting a mindset that focuses on building assets and generating passive income. Lesson 2. The power of financial education. Kiyosaki emphasizes the significance of financial education. He believes that schools often fail to teach us about money and that true financial literacy comes from learning outside the classroom. He encourages readers to invest time in expanding their financial knowledge through books, seminars, and networking. Lesson 3. The importance of assets and liabilities. Kiyosaki defines assets as things that put money in your pocket, such as real estate or stocks, while liabilities take money out of your pocket, like mortgages or car loans. He encourages individuals to acquire income-generating assets and avoid excessive liabilities, as this is a key element in achieving financial independence. Lesson 4. Making money work for you. To become financially successful, Kiyosaki emphasizes the need to break free from the 9-to-5 job mentality and to start making money work for you. This involves building businesses, investing in income-generating assets, and creating passive income streams that generate money even while you sleep. Lesson 5. Overcoming fear and taking action. Kiyosaki talks about how fear often holds people back from taking financial risks and achieving success. He highlights the importance of overcoming the fear of failure and embracing it as a learning opportunity. Taking calculated risks and learning from mistakes is crucial on the path to financial freedom. Example 1. Real estate investment. Kiyosaki shares how his rich dad taught him the importance of investing in real estate. He explains how real estate can generate passive income through rental properties, appreciation, and tax benefits. He provides examples of how real estate investments can be a powerful wealth-building tool. Example 2. The cash flow quadrant. Kiyosaki introduces the cash flow quadrant, which categorizes people into 4 groups: employees, self-employed, business owners, and investors. He explains how moving from the left side of the quadrant, employee and self-employed, to the right side, business owner and investor, is crucial for achieving financial independence. Conclusion: Rich Dad, Poor Dad challenges conventional beliefs about money and offers a fresh perspective on achieving financial independence. By understanding the difference between assets and liabilities, embracing the power of cash flow, and prioritizing financial education, you can transform your financial mindset and pave the way to a brighter financial future. We hope you found this book summary insightful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Remember, financial success is within your reach with the right knowledge and mindset. Thank you for watching.